BTC and ETH rebounded today. Will BTC keep falling? Can you go back to 35K or below? Real situation of macro plus recent decline in ranking. Do you truly understand new tokens on Binance's launchpad? Can I still buy ALT when it rises? Token modularization rise has dropped significantly. Kaiken's upgrade token still has potential to rise. What other tokens are worth our layout apart from Lighty? What's the buying point? Group told me to kill the set. When can I escape the predicament? Hi all, welcome to my channel. If you're into above, remember to finish movie today. Let's check Bitcoin market first. Bitcoin perpetual contract trading pair of OKX exchange. New drawing of Fibonacci set. Interested can copy, take screenshot. Bitcoin fell during skiing, around 20%. Very sharp decline. Will Bitcoin continue to fall? That's rising today. Is Bitcoin from political poverty when still a scam type of operation? Let's start by looking at the 4-hour time frame. What about the 4HR level, volume of this long position? Recent performance is considered okay. A multi-headed sub-quantity. What about its overall upward trend? He Liangneng's capital momentum is weaker than before. Then let's switch to backtesting for Fibonacci. Can feel more obvious. At Bitcoin's current rise. Multiple needle insertion in front, the location I explored, when the trend reverses. After the upward trend turns into a downward trend, the pressure support ahead still has reference value for the next time. In front of me, this test is about 0.236, near 5.236. It may be a short-term resistance zone for Bitcoin. Why do you say that? First of all, the trend is downward. Support pressure will reverse support ahead. It may become resistance. This is the textbook concept. Check the real K line. We saw the daily line level. After this decline wave, Bitcoin, there was a brief 2-day stay ahead, around $41,800, around $11,800. And what about this position? Bitcoin failed to break 2 consecutive days. Falling under the shadow line, so we can determine that it is near this location. There is a resistance to Bitcoin in the near term, about 41,800. If Bitcoin breaks through, it can continue bullish to around $43,900, about $43,900 secondary resistance to Bitcoin, as this is the front daily level, multiple, the place where the daily level failed to break through, so if you have friends who are long at the bottom. So, congrats, you recall to execute these 2 points to carry out profit taking. Did Bitcoin's correction hit the mark? Will it keep falling? Many buddies want to buy it by tapping in their hands. 35K USD worth of Bitcoin Canada arrived. If you are interested, remember to comment and deduct 1. Next episode, share wealth secrets, and other bloggers won't share strategy of buying Bitcoin at low price. Let's check Ethereum again. This is Ethereum trading pair of OKX. Ethereum is also present. Impacted by Bitcoin execute today also witnessed an escalation. Over in this place, currently, there's support below Ethereum. About the support level, I think it's approx 2130 after daily declines in the front, also a few decline levels, no break. This position can be seen as a support level, 1 level below Bitcoin. You can buy it completely in stock. 2130. Try to establish or add to your existing spot in Ethereum. It's important to quickly upgrade the main force in front of Ethereum. This rise is mainly due to 2,300 USD and around 2440, because this is also the daily level of Ethereum. The position that could not be broken through is worth our reference. Bitcoin has recently experienced a drop of about 20%. What is the reason for this? Besides popular ETFs, after landing, good news enters power vacuum. What are the real situations? Just FTX, that side. He is liquidating what he has in his hands. Bitcoin assets sold about 900 million USD worth of Bitcoin. What about GBTC? The duration of his conversion cycle is approximately 3 months based on recent data for GBTC. What about buying at the bottom? Shipments made one after another, GBTC expected to be around 3 months. Only fully convert to ETF. 3 months, all Bitcoin, sideways consolidation period. The third point is that the US is handling it. Silk Road BTC used for logging purposes. US GOFT is crushing the market. What about the fourth point based on a macro level? We can check it out. US stock market, NASDAQ, S&P 500, and Dow Jones all rising consecutively. The Shanghai Shipping Bureau. The situation remains tense, promoted the rise in oil prices. What about the oil price? Is it rebounding? The oil price is rising, not conducive to solving inflation. So the whole market relieved the rate of interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. So these 4 points are the cause. The main reason for the recent sluggishness of the Bitcoin market, although Bitcoin is sluggish here. However, the performance of these Shanghai coins recently launched by Binance is outstanding. Now let's take a look at ALT's counterfeit currency, the ALT on this side of the mountain, after going online. Another new high, very attractive K-line. Can I still buy ALT? I think it is a good opportunity. Modular blockchain is possible, except ALT many tokens. I will introduce each later. The reason behind the surge of the ALT token and the absence of any break after its online launch. The reason is the market maker behind him, GSR. I really like the opening and closing. His market making style is like this. So after that, GSR comes into the picture. Super Disk token, everyone must pay attention, really want to give us money. What about ALT token? We got it via Binance. The lunch plate reached. Remember to follow my Twitter. I keep reminding on Twitter, ALT. I personally think of you. Try it at 029677. Founded circa 677, initial trade current position. Binance launched this activity. ALT released 5%, the circulating market value, and send a short. And this number, many or not, he's not few either. What about the overall control strength? Your view? I believe this market is still strong. Since then, the short seller wants to sell, and people have been doing it one by one. Finished a batch of goods, the rest is still unwilling to sell his empty head, will not easily jow chips. Give other banker. So I believe the chance of this token having a short-term crash is quite low. So worried little friend, you might as well try to eat it or have patient partners. You can try placing an order below to see if you can receive it. Besides that, what other tokens are worth buying besides ALT? The MANTA token is also a modular blockchain. Since its inception, there has been a slight decline, but the overall performance is good. Then I believe the MANTA token is also worth purchasing. You can consult the previous position when ordering. Consider creating position around 214. On daily chart, check support level near 287. For you, these 2 points. Since launch, the TIA token has also seen a significant surge. As the first unicorn to be live as a modular, the performance is extremely impressive. Then you purchase ALT, can entirely draw a trend line. When the price reaches the trend line, you can contemplate adding positions. Now, from my observation, he prefers trend lines for capital injection to continue transactions and business conduct. So you can refer to it. This token can be seen basically after falling back to the trend line. It can quickly rebound and continue to rise. These are the modular block aspects. The majority of the plain text is truncated, particularly the previous plain text on the chain. As for ALT, the highest increase in the long code plain area was around $90. Lately, he also had a wave of callbacks. Dropped to about $48, ALT is nearly in a state of being severed at the waist. If in high position, friends with positions. Think no need to be impatient, ALT will definitely keep rising in next bull market. No need to be impatient. Through daily line, we can actually see that around $48 is a relatively strong support level for ALT. Consider it $48. Keep buying ALT or adding ALT positions for potential gains. ALT token will excel in bull market, eye-catching performance. Just buy leader when purchasing coins. Some on chain already hyped 3 genes of coins and it couldn't be locked. Very high risk. Traders must pay attention. Remember to double the principal. What about me and my community? Mention doubling principal repeatedly. Don't trust 3rd gen token chain station. Earn the money we deserve. Keep profit and run. I believe this is perfect for us small retail investors. Transaction method. Lately I went skiing. These are some pics and vids of me skiing. Everyone should focus on their health in winter. Due to warmth upon return, I just discovered mild cold. In summary, illness can be quite uncomfortable. For more third-gen tokens and encrypted transactions, if interested, welcome to follow me on Twitter. Many wealth passwords, including first-level and second-level tokens. In short, respect me, and you will be blessed. Today, the video ends here. Bye-bye.